Headphones for studying can transform your focus and productivity. Today, we're diving into the top 5 options to help you find the perfect pair for your study sessions. Don't forget to check the description box for links and more details on each product we discuss. Starting our list at number 5, we have the Bose & Wilkins PX7S2 headphones. These aren't just headphones, they're a statement. With their sleek design and premium materials, you'll feel like royalty while hitting the books. The PX7S2 delivers incredible sound quality that will make your study playlist come alive. Custom-designed 40mm drivers provide crystal-clear audio across all frequencies, allowing you to hear every detail in your music or study materials. It's like having a personal concert hall wrapped around your ears. One standout feature is the advanced noise cancellation. It's like having a mute button for the world around you. Whether you're in a noisy library or trying to focus at home, these headphones create a bubble of silence perfect for concentration. Say goodbye to distractions and hello to productivity. Features that you may be looking for: premium build quality with luxurious materials, exceptional sound clarity with custom 40mm drivers, advanced noise cancellation for distraction-free studying, ultra-comfortable design for extended wear, impressive 30-hour battery life with quick charging. Moving on to number 4, we have the Sennheiser Momentum 4 wireless headphones. These bad boys are a game changer for serious students who demand top-notch audio quality and comfort. Let's talk about battery life because, wow! The Momentum 4 boasts an incredible 60 hours of playtime. That's enough to get you through a whole week of intense studying without needing to recharge. It's like having a study buddy that never gets tired. The sound quality is, in a word, phenomenal. Sennheiser's reputation for audio excellence shines through with these headphones. The clarity and detail in the audio make them perfect for listening to lectures, audiobooks, or your favorite focus music. You'll hear things you've never noticed before, bringing your study materials to life in a whole new way. Features that you may be looking for: unbeatable 60-hour battery life for marathon study sessions, superior sound quality with Sennheiser's signature audio, adaptive noise cancellation for any study environment, ultra-comfortable design for extended wear, intuitive touch controls for easy operation. Taking the bronze medal, we have the Apple AirPods Max Ear headphones. These aren't just headphones, they're a technological marvel that will revolutionize your study sessions. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, they're pricey, but oh boy, do you get what you pay for? The build quality is outstanding. The aluminum ear cups and stainless steel headbands scream premium, and they're built to last through countless study marathons. It's like wearing a piece of art that happens to make you smarter. Now, let's talk about the sound. It's magical. The custom-built drivers and computational audio create a soundstage that's wide, immersive, and incredibly detailed. Whether you're listening to classical music to boost concentration or white noise to block distractions, everything sounds crisp and clear. It's like having a personal orchestra playing just for your brain cells. The active noise cancellation on these is, quite frankly, mind-blowing. It's like stepping into your own private study bubble, where outside noises simply disappear. And when you need to interact with the world, the transparency mode is so natural, it's almost like you're not wearing headphones at all. It's the best of both worlds for focused studying. Features that you may be looking for: premium build quality with luxurious materials, exceptional sound quality with computational audio, best-in-class active noise cancellation for deep focus, comfortable design for long study sessions, seamless integration with Apple ecosystem. Coming in at number 2, we have the Bose QuietComfort Ultra headphones. These aren't just headphones, they're your ticket to a distraction-free study zone. Bose has long been synonymous with noise-canceling technology, and the QuietComfort Ultra takes it to a whole new level. The noise cancellation is so good, it's almost eerie. It's like stepping into a cone of silence, allowing you to focus entirely on your studies without any outside interference. Say goodbye to noisy roommates and hello to productivity. But what really sets these headphones apart is the immersive audio feature. It's not just stereo, it's not just surround sound. It's a whole new dimension of audio. This can be incredibly beneficial for studying, as it can help create a more engaging and immersive learning environment, especially for auditory learners. It's like being inside your study materials. Comfort is another area where the QuietComfort Ultra excels. The soft ear cushions and lightweight design make these headphones feel like they're barely there, even during marathon study sessions. You might forget you're wearing them until you realize how much you've learned. Features that you may be looking for: world-class noise cancellation for distraction-free studying, immersive audio feature for a more engaging learning experience, exceptionally comfortable for long study sessions, outstanding sound quality across all frequencies, quick charging capability for last-minute study needs. And now, drumroll please, our top pick for the best headphones for studying, the Sony WH-1000XM5. These headphones are not just good, they're phenomenal, and they tick all the boxes for the perfect study companion. Let's start with the noise cancellation because, wow! Sony has outdone themselves here. With 8 microphones and 2 processors working together, these headphones create a bubble of silence that's perfect for deep focus. It's like the outside world just melts away, leaving you alone with your thoughts and study materials. But what really sets the WH-1000XM5 apart is its adaptive sound control. This intelligent feature automatically adjusts the audio settings based on your behavior and environment. Walking to class? It'll let in just enough ambient sound to keep you safe. Settled in the library? Full noise cancellation kicks in. It's like having a personal audio assistant dedicated to your study success. The sound quality is, in a word, sublime. The 30mm drivers might be smaller than previous models, but don't let that fool you. They deliver crisp highs, rich mids, and deep, punchy bass. Whether you're listening to classical music for concentration or a lecture recording, every detail comes through with stunning clarity. It's like upgrading your brain's audio processing power. Features that you may be looking for: best-in-class adaptive noise cancellation for ultimate focus, intelligent adaptive sound control for any study environment, exceptional sound quality across all frequencies, ultra-comfortable design for extended wear, impressive 30-hour battery life with quick charging. There you have it, our top 5 headphones for studying. Whether you prioritize noise cancellation, sound quality, comfort, or battery life, there's a perfect pair here for every student. So why wait? Upgrade your study game today and watch your grades soar.